What's up guys? Today we have another property tour. And for today's tour, we are in Henderson. And we're gonna be checking out the community of Ashwood at Cadence by Woodside Homes. And this community just recently opened up. For today's property tour, we're gonna be checking out floor plan Aster Plan number 3. And this is a next gen home and I cannot wait to show you. Also guys, if this is your first time to my channel and you would like to stay up to date with all the new construction here throughout the Las Vegas, Henderson, North Las Vegas, tap the subscribe button below. Also tap that bell for notifications. That way when I do upload these property tours, you guys are always the first to learn about them. Now let's get started. All right, guys, so here we are in Ashwood at Cadence in Henderson. These homes are built by Woodside Homes. For today's tour, we're gonna be checking out Aster Plan number 3. I just did a property tour on Cedar Plan number 2. If you wanna check it out, I'll have the link on your top right-hand screen. But I do recommend checking out this floor plan. This one is gonna be the second biggest floor plan that is available here in this community. So let's get started. So this is Aster Plan number 3. It's a 4-bedroom. Either comes in at 3.5 to 4 bathrooms. It is 2,567 square feet, 2-car garage, and starting base price for this one is $527,990. Keep in mind, guys, that does not include any lot premiums, which start right now at $7,500, or any upgrades, which I would probably say about 10 to 15% on top of that base price to give you an idea of out the door price. Average lot size here is 4,500 square foot lots. HOA here is $55 a month. It is a non-gated community, and there is a total of 3 different floor plans here available. So if this one is not a fit, you do have 2 other options, guys. And they are going to be building 67 homes here in this community, guys. So not a very large community, I would say, but still nice, big enough. And what I do like is like right next door, it's like you're not in the mix with other builders. This has its own little community. So this is what I do like about it. And as you know, guys, no community here in Cadence is gated. And I know I mentioned that lot premium, $7,500. So there's a couple of corner lots that are available, guys, and those are starting at $10,000. So if you're looking to get a corner lot, right now is the right time, guys, because as they start building more, they're gonna sell these lots pretty quick, especially here in Cadence, which is a very popular community. Let me get here to this other side of this gate. So here you have your garage. I would say the height looks like it's about 9-foot garage height, so very, very tall, especially if you have a higher vehicle. That would be a nice fit for you. Let's go over here, and then when I get inside, I'm going to show you guys there is a current quick move-in ready for this floor plan, and also here the other floor plans as well. But really quick, so the entrance here is on the side, and then you can see this window, guys, is going to be that next gen. So when I get inside, you'll know what I'm talking about, but just wanted to point that out. Got this nice little gate right here. You can close it, lock it, put a lock. Nobody comes up to your door. Got that side of the house entrance. Check it out. So it's like little cover right here. I do like how they have these those chairs right here. So here it is. They're also gonna come equipped with the Ring doorbell as well. So here you have two windows on the left and right side. You got that 8-foot entry door. Now let's go inside and take a look at this beautiful home. All right, so as soon as you come in straight ahead, you got the stairs and then you got your kitchen, dining, and living room. And also a quick disclaimer, guys, these homes are highly upgraded. So everything most likely you see is gonna be an upgrade. It doesn't come with the home purchase unless you choose to upgrade. Tile flooring, so you got the wood-like flooring. And then so over here, this is where you do have that downstairs next gen. And let me show you. So you come over here, so obviously to the right is to the next gen, the left is to the living room. So you come over here, so immediately here to the right, so you do have a powder room. This. And then right here, you got a coat closet. So this is gonna be your next gen. I know it's not typically like other builders do it, where you actually have access to the exterior to come in and out. This one, you obviously you have to come in through the main house. So that is the big difference. And it's not nearly as big. And I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. So you do have a closet, then you do have your bedroom. So this is what I would say, it's almost like more like a studio next gen, because you have your bedroom, dining, and then your kitchenette all here in one space. Me, I'm not such a big fan of that. Maybe kind of spoiled because I see other layouts, but at least it's a nice option if you need it, right? If you have, need this next gen suite, you need to come have the kitchenette. For whatever reasons, maybe you have your parents, or maybe you want to rent out the space, whatever it may be. I mean, this is just the way it's laid out. Let me know how you guys feel about it. I mean, you do have a sink, microwave, and I believe there's probably gonna be a dishwasher right there. But I mean, you do have the cabinets, right? And I guess that's gonna be your dining. And that's that window I showed you guys in the front. Check it out. And then here is the next gen suite bathroom. Stand-up shower. So let me know what you guys think. Is this something that might fit for you or not? Definitely love to hear your thoughts about that. And right over here, you have your living room. Also forgot to mention, you got 9-foot ceilings. Living room. Then in between the living room and kitchen is gonna be your dining. And check out this kitchen. Really nice. I'm definitely digging the white cabinets with the stainless steel hardware. You got the quartz countertop island, seats 3 people. You got your dual oven, then you got your microwave there off to the right, countertop 5-burner stove, stainless steel hood. You got your dual stainless steel undermount sink, dishwasher. Then you got the quartz also on this side with that tile backsplash. Like I said, keep in mind, guys, these are highly upgraded homes, guys. But I mean, other than that, I mean, really, really beautiful. I mean, let me know what you guys think of this kitchen. This is a kitchen you can picture yourself wanting to cook more or even wash the dishes. I know it would make me for sure. Really nice. And then right over here, so that's gonna be to your 2-car garage. We're not gonna check it out because that is currently the superintendent's office, but then we have your pantry. And then you have a storage closet right here. You got your smart panel box right there off to the right. But I mean, here it is so far, guys. What do you guys think so far of this first floor? Does it work? Does it not? What do you guys think of that next gen? Now let's go check out your backyard. Like I said, average lot size here is about 4,500 square foot lots. Your home purchase will come with a covered patio, guys, which is a huge bonus. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars just to add that covered patio, especially here. What you won't get is extended. I'm sure that is an option if you want to have that extension, but just this right here, guys, this will come standard with your home purchase. And obviously, guys, you're not gonna get a home with a barbecue pit and this landscaping, all this stuff. This is just for modeling purposes. When you do purchase a new build, I don't know if you watch my tours all the time, and I always mention it. And the reason I always mention it, I don't know if this is your first time watching these tours, so I want to make sure nobody goes with some misinformation, and you're not gonna get this landscaping, guys. You're just gonna get a clean slate. Obviously, you will get this landscaping if you purchase this model home someday, but other than that, guys, from that covered patio and beyond, you can get the pavers. Beyond that, guys, it's just gonna be dirt. But let me stand here in this corner to show you this home. And also, I know you see that balcony, guys, and really quick, that is an upgrade. Covered patio below comes with the home, but if you want that balcony up above, which if it fits in the budget, guys, I recommend it. So just a heads up. Let's go back inside and check out the rest of this home. And do me a favor, guys, if you guys are enjoying this property tour, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and tap that bell for notifications. Also, guys, as we head upstairs, just want to let you guys know some quick information on something, guys. If you're thinking about buying a new build home and you would like a realtor like myself, or maybe you already have your own realtor, which is totally fine, still important. If you do come check out this new community, it's important that we come along with you on the first initial visit. And that is just the first initial. After that, you can come as many times as you want. But if you come alone, guys, the builder is not gonna allow us to represent you. And I think it's important if you want your outside representation, which, don't get me wrong, guys, the builder realtors are awesome. Easy to work with, very helpful. But at the end of the day, guys, just remember, if stuff hits the wall, who do they work for, guys? The builder. So if you think of it that way, I think it just makes sense to have your own realtor, have your own representation. That way, we're there to, negotiate not just the price, guys, closing costs, rate buy downs, upgrades, personal property like your washer and dryer, all that stuff, guys. We could negotiate. Does it work? Do we get our way all the time? No, but it doesn't hurt to at least include that with your offer and get as much as we can for you at the end of the day. So if you have any questions, guys, or need any advice, contact info in the description below. Here to help. But right here, get this loft, which I think, I almost feel like, this is just me, guys. I feel like all homes should always have a loft, no matter what, a two-story home. When they don't, it just feels a little different. Nothing wrong with it, like if it doesn't. I guess everybody has their own preferences, but I almost feel like every home should have a loft. At least two-story home, guys, obviously. So here's your bathroom. Because when it does it, guys, and you go upstairs, it just feels like you're walking through the hallways. It's just different. That loft makes a huge difference. But check this bathroom out. Let me know if you're with me or not, guys. I know sometimes I always throw in my 2 cents. I'm just giving you what I think. Everybody has their own preferences, wants, and needs. So I completely understand that. But here's bedroom number 2, because we did see that next gen, so it does count as a bedroom. So we're gonna have 3 bedrooms here upstairs. So that's bedroom number 1. Off to the right, it's our primary. We'll see that in just a second. We'll show you bedroom number 3. And have it staged as a baby room. Pretty nice. Also, 9-foot ceilings here upstairs. Then right over here, you have your laundry room. And what I do like, you kind of look at how it comes in from the primary here into the laundry room. Really nice feature, but I'm not gonna go in there through. I'm gonna go around. That way you don't get kind of confused on how this this tour is going. So this would be your, obviously your main entrance to your bedroom. Check it out. Good size. And then that's for the laundry room. Now I'll go in there to show you real quick. That's the laundry room, guys. So if you come in here, get the laundry, put it away, come over here, go to your closet. But before we do that, guys, let me show you this balcony. Like I said, it is an upgrade, guys, to get this balcony. It doesn't come standard, but if it fits in the budget, throw it in there, guys. That's just my opinion. You don't have to listen to me. Maybe it's just because I love balconies. Because look, I mean, you can see next door, guys, those don't have balconies. Like, look how it looks. So right over there, you do have the strip. Check it out. And no big secret, guys, I cannot hide these warehouses from you. But at least for this model home and for the rest of the, you know, when they're gonna build on this, on the outer end of this community, the back end is gonna be warehouses, guys. But here is, you're covered. I mean, not covered. Here's your balcony. You're so used to seeing covered balconies. I wish it was covered though. That would make it even better. So now let's come over here and look at your primary bathroom. Look at this. Beautiful. Tell you what, Woodside does build some beautiful homes. They are one of my top favorite builders just because they do nice finishes like this. Look at this, you got the combo bath and stand up. Check out all that backsplash you have too, all tile throughout. Look at this. Show you from this angle. What do you guys think? And right over here, toilet. And over here you have a linen closet. And last but not least, it's gonna be your walk-in closet. Well, there you have it, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this floor plan. Does it fit? Does it not? Doesn't matter, guys. Drop it on the comments below. Definitely love to hear your thoughts about this and any feedback. Also, guys, if you would like to come check out this home or this community or any other community, or maybe you don't even want a new home. Maybe you want to check out some resale homes or even looking to sell your personal property. I could assist you in all those, guys. So I'll have my contact info in the description below, so don't hesitate to give me a call, shoot me a text, email. Here to help any way I can. Also, guys, do me a huge favor. If you guys enjoyed this tour, like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notification. Until next time, guys.